skipped this step last time on how to show you how to actually do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it this time because I found something else online I think I'm gonna try out. Oh yeah, start from the middle. Okay. See, it's out pretty much. So they said you're gonna use some force. Excuse me. You hear like a sound like, or it sound like it'll crack, but it's not. Just don't put too much force on there. And then look at that, it's out already. And then this part, like I said in the last video, the other guy didn't tell me how to do it, but make sure this black part is up. And see, you don't even need a screwdriver or your nail, it pretty much pops out. Just grab it. People say push the thing down, but that's it. And that's how you remove it. Voila. Go clean it up.